Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I know this is a bit late. June is like halfway through, but nonetheless it is still June and it is still Pride Month, so happy Pride Month to all my beautiful LGBT plus members. You guys are all beautiful and wonderful, and just know that you have all of my full support. And well, if you're a good person, you know. If you're a good person of any kind, then you have my full support. Starting off with the middle and pinky pair. For the pinky, it is going to be super duper simple. A dummy can do it. If you can't do it, you're not a dummy. You're just having a tough time. So for the pinky, you're going to start off with a black base, and then with white on the top right corner, you're going to make a little white circle and then two tiny circles next to it. Bada bing, bada boom, you're done. So for the middle nail, don't be a big dummy like me. Make sure you tape the nail exactly half so that the bottom half of the nail is exposed, and then paint the bottom half black. As you can see, when I ripped it off, it wasn't exactly half, so that was useless. And then you paint the top white, so you have this half white, half black design, and then you're ready to start the hard part. So here's my super 100% original cute idea. With white on the bottom half, aka the black half, you're gonna write love, but make sure the O is a completely filled in circle. And then for the word is above, because we're writing love is love, you're going to cut it off, obviously, because you're writing in white, and then the white won't show up on the white, obviously. So then you're going to switch to black and draw the rest in black on the top. But again, the first love is also, the O in the first love is going to be completely filled in because of my super duper important original super cute idea that I came up with all my own. Look at that! You put little hearts inside the O's! Ow! The thumb and the ring finger are also easy peasy, I promise. You're going to start off with a white base, and then you're going to lightly paint on a makeup sponge all 7 or 6 colors of the rainbow, and then dab it gently onto the nail until you get this beautiful gradient. As you can see, the acrylic paint doesn't mesh well with the nail polish. Don't worry, I'm prepared for that. We're about to cover most of the unblended lines in like 0.2 seconds. So basically, here's me just drawing an outline of a triangle that starts at the base of the nail with the tip of the triangle facing the tip of the nail. And so I'm just filling it in. This isn't for opacity's sake, this is just for a guideline. So then I'm going to tape off the sides of the triangle once it's completely dry, and then fill in the exposed part with white so that when I peel it up, I get a nice, opaque, beautiful, clean triangle. Okay, so after this comes the hard part, and most of it is off camera, I promise, but trust me, it's not a hard concept to grasp. I'm just writing the word pride at the base of the nail in black in all caps, and that's about it for the thumb. That's only on the thumb. For the ring finger, instead of writing words, I didn't want to make it too repetitive, so I made a little black heart in the triangle instead. So for the index finger, super simple but also super cute, you're going to start off with a white base and draw a red heart in the middle, and then with each color of the rainbow, you're going to go around that, you're going to outline it. So you're going to outline the red heart with orange, and then outline the orange with yellow, and then so on and so forth till you get to purple. And once you get to purple, you're going to just fill in the rest of the nail. Okay, sorry I zoomed past that, but I wanted to talk about something serious for a second. Black Lives Matter is reaching a very huge peak in history, and I'm really proud. Even though I know the riots and all of that are not necessarily good, we're reaching a really pivotal point in history, and so I want to remind all of my fellow African Americans and all Black people across the world that when you say Black Lives Matter, it means all Black Lives Matter, okay? That includes our LGBT plus brothers and sisters. Okay, you can't say Black Lives Matter and then continue to discriminate based on your own personal beliefs. I can't speak for every single racial and ethnic group on the planet or whatever. So I'm going to hope that all people of color and white people can also spread this message to their own ethnic and racial group. But the point of what I'm trying to say is Black Lives Matter means all Black Lives Matter. Black, LGBT, gay, straight, trans, and disabled people. You can't cut corners. Black Lives Matter means all Black lives, period. And so I once again ask the question, did I nail it or did I fail it? Honestly, I love these nails. Like they were really simple to do. It was mainly just taping gradients, painting over things, you know. But like it wasn't a lot of freehanding except for the words. But I really like it. Maybe you hate it. I don't know. Leave a comment if you do, I guess. Leave a comment if you like it too. Anyway, happy Pride, of course. I know this video is late, but it's never too late to be proud of who you are, as long as you're a good person, meaning as long as you're nice to people. So, as always, everything is linked in the description, and thank you again so much for watching.